how much saltfish fritters you guys can eat. So I'm gonna take about 3, no, I'm gonna take 4. Okay, I'm gonna eat 4 for now, and then if anything will come back. But also have a drink. Glass of lemonade. So pepper.